Hello friends, in this video let us see question number 4 subdivision 5 of exercise 8.3 chapter 8 trigonometry. Questions: prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 is equal to cosecant A plus cot A by using the identity cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Let us first take LHS. Question is cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. We have to bring cosecant and cot in the numerator and denominator, because only then we can use the identity cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. So, dividing both numerator and denominator by sin A. Be careful in writing the terms and signs. Let us write cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. The whole divided by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Simplifying it, we get cos by sin is cot A minus 1 plus 1 by sin A is cosecant A divided by cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Rearranging the terms, let's write it as cot A plus cosecant A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. They have given the identity cosecant square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. We can also write this identity as cosecant square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. So, we can substitute this formula in either of the one here. Now, let me substitute it in the numerator. You can either use it in numerator or denominator. I will use it in the numerator. Writing it, cot A plus cosecant A minus, we can write one as cosecant square A minus cot square A divided by cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. We are not going to change this one. Now we also know that a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. By substituting that formula in the numerator, we can simplify it further. Now, cot A plus cosecant A minus cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A divided by cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. Now, taking cosecant A plus cot A is common. Cot A plus cosecant A, this becomes 1 minus of cosecant A minus cot A divided by cot A minus cosecant A plus 1 is equal to cot A plus cosecant A to 1 minus cosecant A plus cot A divided by cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. Both these terms are same. So, cancelling them out, we get cot A plus cosecant A, which is our RHS. So, hence proved. Thank you. The sum can come as a 5-mark question. Please practice it regularly. Thank you.